This is a 2014 Chrysler 200. Sorry about all the noise. Show you guys how to remove the alternator. This is a 2.4 liter. The alternator is buried right there. First step is you need to disconnect the battery terminals. You can either disconnect this and that one, or you can disconnect it from here. Charging the battery, so I disconnected it from there. Once you do that, you need to remove the serpentine belt. I have the belt taken off already, but the belt tensioner is right here. I believe it's a 13 millimeter. So you need to push it up like that, and the belt will come off. Once you do that, go ahead and remove this bolt right here on the top. This one, that's a 13 millimeter. Then you need to remove that pulley also. It's a pulley right here that you need to remove. Like I said, sorry about all the noise in the background. Take that off. Put it aside. That's the size. I think that's a 13. Okay. Once you have that removed, it would actually be easier to remove this wheel and remove this plastic cover so you can have more room to work on it. And if you crawl underneath the car, there you go. There's a bolt right here. You need to take that off. One right here. And one on the top of the AC compressor. Take that off too. The whole thing should just come right off. You don't have to disconnect anything. Go back up in the top. Disconnect. Take this plastic cover off. Remove that bolt. Take this off. You need to disconnect the wiring harness. It's got a safety clip right here. You need to push this up, then press that and wiggle it out. It'll come off like that. Once you have that taken off, you see that bolt right there, which is why you had to remove that pulley. Go ahead and remove that. If you look underneath, you will have, if I can zoom in, this piece right here that stops, that's what tightens the bolt. So go ahead and remove that bolt right here. Let's see if I can remove it. See if we can get it from the top. Hold on 1 second, sorry about that. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the bottom bolt, and behind that it's going to look like this, so make sure you don't lose that. Once you have that off, the alternator should just come right off. Just try to wiggle it up and down like that. And should have enough room at the bottom to take it off. Like I said, it'll be easier if you remove that wheel. Remove that plastic cover right here. We have 1 and 2 10mm and that plastic clip. Take that off. Then this will slide right out. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand while I'm holding the camera. But anyway, I don't want to damage anything. We can move the compressor out of the way and slide this out. Same way to put the new one in. And that should be it. Should be the same for 2.4 Dodge Avenger, and I believe Dodge Caliber also. So that's it.